The new motor back there is like really loud. This is my old motor, and it's a Pentair dynamo. Turned it on, it wouldn't turn. Open it up, see if you can turn the bearings and get more life out of your motor. Let's see what happens. You turn this one on, you can hear it making a humming sound, but it just wasn't turning. And so what we're gonna do is, if you can get your hands through where the filter basket is, if you can get your hand under there and reach the impeller, you can try to turn it clockwise. But if you can't reach it, I couldn't reach mine, take off the end of it. But right here it is right here. So all I'm doing is just turning this, getting it going again, loosening it up. Got hung up or something. Well, it was sitting so long and it wasn't working. And so all I'm doing is turning it, and then I'm gonna put it back together and plug it in right here on my deck, see if it'll come on. If it does, then I'm gonna probably switch out my quiet motor here, the loud one I got from the people with the new pool that we just bought from them. Okay, so I opened up the old pool motor here, and I turned bearing clockwise and put it back together. Turn this on, see what happens. Boom! That sucker is on. Alright, I don't want to run it too long without watering it, but it's working. It's working. So I was going to throw this away. I was going to throw this thing away, but apparently it's still got some life left in it. And as you know, probably, these motors cost $250, $300. So I'm going to put this one on my pool to go along with my old filter ball. I'm going to put the old pump back on, and I'll just keep the other stuff for spares. But this is so much quieter than the one that's back there now. It's very unpleasant. So I don't know how long this one will last. So don't throw your pool motor away, open it up. There's what's called a dead spot in there. Apparently, I thought this one was dead. I was going to throw it away, and it works. That's awesome. Good tip there. Very easy to do, save you some money, and I'm excited to have my quiet pump back on my pool that I just got. All right, good luck.